Hello everyone, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to integrate this indefinite integral by trigonometric substitution. We have the integral of 1 divided by the square root of 7 minus 6x minus x squared dx. Alright, I would like to simplify the function under the square root. Let me bring it down here, starting with the leading term, which is negative x squared and minus 6x, then plus 7. Next, factor out the negative sign. Every sign will change to its opposite. This is x squared, positive 6x, then minus 7. All right, since we cannot factorize this, I'm going to complete the square. To make the first two terms a perfect square, you have to add square of half of the coefficient of x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So we are adding 9 here. X squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 7, but I have added 9, I have to take it away to compensate. So literally 9 minus 9 is 0, so it's like I have added 0, which is not going to change anything. This is now perfect squared, which is the same thing as x plus half of the coefficient of x. 6 divided by 2 is 3, everything squared. Then this is what? Minus 16. But remember, we still have minus outside, which is eventually going to give us what? Minus x plus 3 squared, then plus 16. So I'm going to replace the whole of this by this. So our integral become the integral of 1 divided by the square root of what? 16 minus x plus 3 squared dx. So let me take down everything here. So now let us start our substitution. I would like to let the whole of that content here, x plus 3, be equal to, you know, this is the same thing as 4 squared, so I'm going to take 4. Then what? Sine of theta. Differentiate both sides. If you differentiate x, you have dx. This becomes 0. If you differentiate this, becomes what? What do you call it? 4 cos theta d theta. So this is our substitution. The integral of what? 1 divided by the square root of 16 minus the whole of this content. I have let it to be what? 4 sine theta, but it has a square. 4 sine theta squared is 16 sine squared theta, right? Then dx is what? 4 cos theta d theta. This is the same thing as what? Let me simplify it here. 16 outside, I factor it out. Inside I have 1 minus sine squared theta, right? I'm talking about this content. Then this is the same thing as 16 times 1 minus sine squared theta is cos squared theta. Cos squared theta. If you take square root of 16 cos squared theta, you're going to get what? 4 cos theta. So the whole of everything here, the square root of the whole of this will be what? 4 cos theta. So this is equal to the integral of 1 divided by 4 cos theta multiplied by 4 cos theta d theta. 4 cos theta will cancel 4 cos theta. What do we have? We only have 1 d theta. So let me continue here. So we have the integral of 1 d theta, which is simply equal to what? Theta plus the constant of integration. But what is theta actually? We have to come back here to find the value of theta. So theta will be what? First of all, divide both sides by 4 here. So you have x plus 3 divided by 4 to be equal to just sine theta. Then you take sine inverse of both sides to have the value of theta. Sine inverse of the whole of x plus 3 divided by 4. So you take it back there. So this is equal to sine inverse or arcsine of x plus 3 divided by 4 plus the constant of integration c. Wow. So this is what? The solution to this indefinite integral.